Alright, so what we want to do here is we want to fully describe this graph. And so the shape of it is a parabola. The line of symmetry, as it turns out, the line of symmetry is actually the y-axis as well, which is x equals 0. It opens up. There are no asymptotes. When we talk about increasing and decreasing, we need to think about our little guy walking on our graph. And as he walks on the graph, as he walks this way, he's decreasing, right? It's going down. And then as he comes this way, our little guy is doing what? He's walking up, so he is increasing. Now, he's decreasing, 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 decreasing until he gets right to this point. And when he gets to this point, he's not doing either. So he's decreasing when x is less than 0. So decreasing when x is less than 0. And then once we get on this side, he's increasing. So as soon as we get bigger than 0, x is greater than 0, now he's increasing. The x-intercepts, we've got 2. So we've got negative 5, 0, and positive 5, 0. The y-intercept is 0, negative 12.5. The domain, okay, so now we got to remember the domain is this direction. And so what you have to think is as we go up on the graph, it's going to keep going to positive infinity. And likewise, on the other side, as it goes up, it's going to get wider and go to negative infinity. So the domain is less than positive infinity. Oopsie, that doesn't look good. Let's try that. Less than positive infinity and greater than negative infinity. Or we could just say all real numbers. Also the range, if we look at the range, we're starting here. The lowest value is negative 12.5, and then we're going to include everything here. So this is the range going in this direction. And so the range is going to be x is greater than or equal to negative 12.5. So x is greater than or equal to negative 12.5. There are no endpoints, so we would say none. There is no maximum, so we would say none. The minimum is this point right here, so that's going to be 0, negative 12.5. It's continuous, and it's a function. So yes, it's a function.